Hello everyone and welcome back to the board. Today's problem look almost too simple. 3 times 2 minus 2 divided by parentheses 1 plus 1. Option A 2, B 4, C 5. Simple. Let's see. Before we start, what is your answer? A, B or C? Drop it in the comments. And if you have a problem you want us to discuss in a future video, send that too. Maybe some of you solve this problem in this way. Just go left, right. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. But this is wrong. And maybe some of you look at 2 minus 2 is simpler. So you make 2 minus 2 equals 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. 0 divided by 1 plus 1 is 0. But this is also totally wrong. To solve this problem, remember the rule. We use PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, equal rank, left to right, addition and subtraction. In our problem, there is a parenthesis. So parenthesis first, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then perform multiplication and division, equal rank, left to right, and the subtraction, wait until the end. So 3 times 2 is 6. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And only now the subtraction, 6 minus 1 is 5. The answer is C. It's very simple when the order is right. Now your turn. 2 times 4 minus 4 divided by parentheses 1 plus 1. Option A 2, B 6, C 8. Pause the video, solve it, and drop your letter in the comments. And if this helped you or do you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for learning with me today and see you in the next one.